Yesterday when I made a video, I walked and came like this down from my place. Today everything is very clear. Okay, and I thought I'll take a walk today. Though it is a kind of holiday here, today and tomorrow, and Monday also. Monday it is a kind of holiday where people worship the dead. Okay, they bring their skeletons, they bring the skull of their family member. This is Abhinandan here. So from morning I was sitting and working on something related to convert to Spanish language, and then I thought let me take a walk, because whole day if I'm working I won't get the sleep in the night time. So Abhinandan at La Paz, November 1st to 2025. See, yesterday it was a mad rush here. That side, this side, that side. A couple of lakhs of people were here. But today here I've seen the dogs are very bulky. And so, say like that. I do not know whether I should go to the cemetery, okay, to a Monday. I'll just find out from someone, and so see how nice they have done in between walking park. This side road, that side road, and in center walking area with a park. So there are still people having the costumes and Halloween costume. What was that books over there? I cannot go that side. I'll go. What is there? Oh no! What is that they're keeping? They won't be keeping. What is that? English books, huh?
Hello?
Is it English books or Spanish?
Español nomás.
No English.
No.
Okay. All magazines, huh? Okay. So I came from that side to this side. Just while I'm recording, while I'm walking and I'm looking, my mobile is recording. So I'm going to one place called, I think, Mural, if that's correct. I know it's going to become dark by that time, but I'll take a walk. It is nearby only. I do not go no Sunday, Monday, whether I should go to the cemetery, because it will be. Is that you? That's you? Oh. Okay. He's saying some divine and see people will be playing chess like this. I'm still stupidly holding my mobile, though 3-4 people told people will come from backside like they've done it for me in Bangalore and even in Delhi. So I just wanted to see whether that Halloween this one will be effect will be still here. Everything is empty, clean, neat at La Paz, and there's a festival of death I think. Wherein very interesting is they keep the skull of their family member even 30 years, 40 years, and in case they don't have the skull, you know how much a skull will cost? $10,000 to $40,000. They have to buy a skull, and I do not know why it was told so much. He is Simon Bolivar. He was the one who bought freedom for many countries here. A lot of, I don't know whether he's. So compared to yesterday, today very less people. There's one building next to the straight road. If you go, see Bybit. Bybit. I have to check it. 20 USDT you get to register. Bybit. Can you see that? So there's a good future here. Bybit P2P. See, when I come here only that is coming. Bybit. Okay. So it will come once. Bybit. Bybit. Look at that, my friends. Bolivia is open for crypto. Okay. So only last 10 days I know I'm wasting my time, but I'm planning something here. Like I plan in Bangalore, like I plan in India. But I have to take into confidence some 4 or 5 people. See? So nice walk, weather is good. Once again it will come. Let me go that side, because once that building comes over there, I know that road which goes to one main square where the government office is there. Means a main office maybe. So it will come once again over there. Bybit. Just Google it. Just check it if it is there in India. BYBIT. Okay. So I'm thinking Sunday, Monday should I go to the cemetery. They have a very big cemetery here. They have a vertical cemetery. Okay. This is one flag of them. So they have a very big flag tower here. You can go from that side also. I have gone from that side where a very big building is there, wherein Amazon, eBay products and all from USA, I think they order for you and they take some commission. That's the building over there. See the snow-capped mountain. Can you see the snow-capped mountains? That's a volcano. Beautiful snow. You cannot see the beauty of it on a mobile camera, but now let me walk like this all the way. Let me stop it right now and continue over there. Abhinandan here. Okay. It's about 3 blocks from here. One circle, one square called Mural. Today is like a holiday. 3 days festival it is. Starting from yesterday only. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday also. So I do not know whether tourists can go to that burial ground, cemetery, where they keep the skulls of the family member, and if he's a smoker, they don't give one smoke. They drag the cigarette, they smoke one puff, and they put it. Every relative will keep putting it. And then they give it to the skull, whiskey, brandy and all, and then they dance around. I think it is similar to the day of their death in Mexico. Oh, this is the vice president of a building. Okay, I thought I'll stop there only, but since there's no people, I thought I'll record. So I got 3 more blocks. I get that famous building square, but the same thing will be here. Nothing very advanced. All the same biscuits eat and all. Anyhow, so like I like technology, like I like AI, I also like history very much. So I sometimes spend hours together reading history of that particular country or place or whatever it is. Okay, so it won't be silent and neat like this if it's a working day. Since it's a holiday, it is very nice. Okay, let me stop and ask them to take my photo.